Hello students, in my previous video we have discussed division method to find the square root of given number. Now we will learn that how can we find square root of decimal number. Let us start. We take first number is 2.56. We write 2.56 like this and we will make pair 56. This is in pair and we check 2. 2 comes between 1 and 4. So we take 1. 1 1 ja 1. So we write 1 and 1 here. Now we subtract 1 from 2, we get 1 and we add same digit, so we get 2. Now bring down 56 here, we get 156. Now we will check unit digit of 156. 6 is in its unit place. Now we will check here 4 square equals 16 and 6 in its unit place and 6 square equal 36 and 6 in its unit place. Now we will check by 4. When we multiply 24 with 4 we get 96 but we want 156. So we will check with next number is 6. When we multiply 26 with 6 we get 156. So we write 156 here and 6 here. We put decimal point here. So we get 1.6 and when we subtract 156 from 156 we get 0. Therefore square root of 2.56 equal 1.6. Clear? Square root of 2.56 equal 1.6. Remaining part you can solve yourself. Next sum. Find the least number which must be subtracted. Clear? Which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. We take first part. First part is 402. When we solve 402 by division method, we get 2 as a remainder. Here the remainder is 2. It shows that 20 square is less than 402 by 2 because 20 square equal 400. So to get a perfect square, 2 must be subtracted from given number. Therefore 402 minus 2 equal 400. So square root of 400 will be 20. Clear? Now I will take next number. Next number is 1989. When we solve 1989 by division method, we get 53 as a remainder and it shows that 44 square is less than 1989 by 53. So to get a perfect square, 53 must be subtracted from the given number. 1989 minus 53 equal 1936. Square root of 1936 will be 44. Same. Next part, third, fourth, fifth, you can solve yourself. We take next number. Next number is find the least number which must be added. In this question, we find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also, find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. First number is 525. When we solve 525 by division method, we get 41 as a remainder. Here the remainder is 41. We can say 23 square is greater than 525 and greater than 22 square, because 23 square equal 529. The required number to be added. 529 minus 525. When we subtract 525 from 529, we get 4. So we add 4 with 525 and we get 529. So we can say square root of 529 is equal to 23. Thus, 4 is the least number which must be added to 525 to get a perfect square. Remaining part you can solve yourself. Next sum is find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441. In this square, area is given 441 meter square. Let the length of side of a square be x meter. As you know, area of a square equal side square and side is x meter. So we write x square. Area of square equal 441. Therefore, x square equal 441. X equal square root of 441. We find square root of 441 by division method and we get x equal 21. Thus, the length of the side of a square is 21 meter. Now we will take next question. Next question is, in a right triangle ABC, angle B equal 90 degree. As you know that right triangle means triangle has one angle as 90 degree. First part, if AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, find AC. In a right triangle ABC, look at here. This is the right triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. AB is 6 centimeter. BC is 8 centimeter. Now we use AC square equal AB square plus BC square. We put the value of AB and BC. AB is 6, so we write 6 square. BC is 8, so we write 8 square. 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. Now AC is equal to square root of 100. We find square root of 100 by division method. So we get AC equal 10 centimeter. Thus AC is 10 centimeter. Now we solve part B. In part B, if AC is 13 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, find AB. Here, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. AC is 13 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter. Now we use AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square and put the value of AC and BC. Here AC is 13 centimeter, so we write 13 square, and BC is 5 centimeter, so we write 5 square. 13 square is 169 and 5 square is 25. So we write 169 is equal to AB square plus 25. When we find AB square is equal to 169 minus 25. We get 144. Now we find square root of 144 by division method. We get AB equal 12 centimeter. Thus AB is 12 centimeter. Now we solve next sum. Read this sum carefully. A gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. In this question, number of rows and number of columns is same. We solve like this. Total number of plants is 1000 given in the question. The number of plants in a row is equal to the number of plants in a column. Let the number of plants planted in a row be X. So the number of plants in a column is X. Clear? So the number of plants planted in a column is X. Total plants is equal to X multiply X. We write X square. Here X square is equal to 1000. 1000 in given the question. Now we find square root of 1000. We find square root of 1000 by division method and we get 39 as a remainder. So we write here the remainder is 39. Now look at here. 31 square is less than 1000 and 1000 is less than 32 square because 32 square is equal to 1024. So we write the number of plants required to be added is equal to 1024 minus 1000. We get 24. Thus 24 more plants needed. Clear? 24 more plants needed. Now we read next sum. There are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to number of columns. how many children would be left out? Clear? How many children would be left out in this arrangement? Total number of children in a school is 500 and number of rows and number of column is same. Let the number of children in a row be x. So the number of children in a column is x. Total number of children is equal to x multiply x is equal to x square. X square equal 500. X equal square root of 500. When we find square root of 500 by division method, we get 16 as a remainder. So, and 500 greater than 22 square. 500 greater than 484. Thus, 16 children would be left out in this arrangement. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now, exercise 6.4 has completed and chapter 6 is over. We will meet in my next video with new chapter. Thank you.